the core value recognition first. The first one is from Kak Agus Weda to Kak Gunung Gania. Is Kak Agus Weda here?
Oh, no.
Adel, do you want to be the moderator, Adel?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, Kofidi. Okay, sorry.
It's okay. If you want to be moderator, I can give you moderator. It's okay. Or next week, you want to become moderator? Can also. Okay. Okay, I'll be the moderator ya. Thank you very much, Azal, for giving me the time ya. So since Weda is not here, I will represent him in reading the core value recognition. He'd like to recognize Kagani. He'd like to recognize Kagani for the valuable insight he shared during one-on-one yesterday, which is probably 3 days ago. He helped clarify the confusion about the work he's been doing over the past month, giving clear focus moving forward. He appreciates his encouragement to keep innovating and improving, even when some of the ideas didn't get accepted. His guidance has been both motivating and practical, with the core value of help others to help themselves. Yeah, very inspiring. Thank you very much, Kagani, for being inspiring. Okay, we can move on to the next one. We have Ardi, yeah. But Ardi, I believe he's still dealing with his personal stuff, which is very good, yeah. Okay, he's recognizing Ali with help others help themselves. To accommodate improvement for OpenAI, we need to update the library that we use in Gaia. However, the library has been outdated and hasn't been updated since February 2024. Because of this, many functions didn't work properly. Ali helped RD to fix the issue during the updating of OpenAI. Okay, with this, our OpenAI will have more capability. Yeah, and also thank you very much, Ali, for helping others to help themselves. Next, we have core value recognition from Erika. Over to you, Erika.
Sebentar. Okay, so I would like to recognize Mr. Jing. So actually last time I have like a sudden meeting and I would like to set up like a hybrid meeting, and I'm not familiar with using the Mac Mini and an additional camera, etc. So I actually would like to recognize Azel as well on this part. I also escalated to Mr. Jing, and he put a lot of effort to draw how the setup should be and also consult it with Mas Bayu. So yeah, I think that's very inspired delight for him to do such details for me. So yeah, thank you, Kofidi.
Excellent, yeah. Always helping others to help themselves and also inspired delight, Mr. Jing. Mr. Jing is not yet here, yeah, I think, yeah. I believe. Okay. Thank you, Erika, for the recognition. We can move on to Ganesh.
Wait. Okay, I would like to recognize Kak Bayu, Mas Gani, and Mas Hafiz. Thank you to Kak Bayu for sharing helpful tips, photography tips, and to Mas Gani and Mas Hafiz for their valuable feedback on my photography. I've learned a lot from your guidance and really appreciate the support. Thanks for help others to help themselves.
Okay, excellent. To Kak Gani, and also Kak Hafiz, ya. Thank you, Ganesh. Next, we can move on to Kak Gani, recognizing Kak Bayu, who's actually Kak Bayu doing a guest lecture ya right now, ya. So, wish him luck.
Okay, thank you, Vidi. Yes, I'd like to recognize Pak Dosen hari ini, Mas Bayu, for being instrumental during our branding discovery phase, especially with aesthetic team. His logical and structured approach consistently guide us in aligning every activity with the mission, helping us think with clarity and purpose. Yeah, good job, Mas Bayu, Pak Dosen. Yeah,
Okay, to Pak Dosen ya, excellent job ya. Thank you Kak Gani for the recognition for upper management quality. The very difficult upper value to display, but regardless Kak Bayu has displayed it. Over to Hafiz. Let's go, Hafiz.
Yeah, thank you, Bang Vidi. I would like to recognize Matthew for his willingness to support the content team whenever we need extra resources. So he actively asks questions to clarify the task that he doesn't really understand and to ensure the work the quality of work, and additionally, Matthew always takes initiative to incorporate the unsold property to feature on the PEC event that he updated on the website. So thank you, Matthew, for being a versatile and Vito hero.
Okay, very good. Congratulations to Matthew and thank you Hafiz for the recognition ya. Next we can go to Rama. Rama, is Rama here?
He's on the guest lecture as
Okay.
well.
So let's have Shelly represent Rama ya for two of the core value.
Okay, thank you. The first one is from Rama to recognize Kayla, Bella, Gani, Della, as well as Bayu over here to help others to help themselves. So thank you for providing materials for the upcoming Heroes page to all of these 5 people. Cross finger, let's hope this initiative undergoing smooth process. As per what he wrote over there. So that's the first recognition from Rama. And then the second one is actually to Fulcon to inspire delight. And here Rama would like to say thank you for inspiring delight our potential candidates during UPH Internship Fair. So dazzling our visual talents. Okay, that's all from Rama. Back to you, Vidi.
Okay, excellent ya. Next we can go to Kayla. We have 3 core values recognition from Kayla.
Yeah, okay. This one to Kak David actually. Do we have Kak David here? Wait,
Kak David.
sarapan Kak David. Selamat sarapan Kak David. Okay, so this is for everyone too. I'd like to recognize Kak David for being the hero. So actually kayak beberapa hari lalu, there's some Airbnb isu payout.
Yep.
I got alerted from ownernya mana gitu kalau nggak salah. And when I escalated to David, he's been able to identify the root causes, and apparently there were like 19 properties in total. He immediately contacted Airbnb, like taking care of the whole thing without involving too many people, which I really appreciate because he could do it himself. And basically he did that in 2 days. I think that's huge compared to last year tuh kita kayak berminggu-minggu to do that. So yeah, I think he was being clearly the hero to be able to resolve the payout issue. Thank you, Kak David. Appreciate. Okay, lanjut berarti ini Kak.
Lanjut aja.
Okay, the second one, this is to Della and Kak Gray. Do we have Della and Kak Gray here? Yes, we have Della. Okay. So basically, I'd like to take a moment to recognize both Gray and Della for their efforts in maintaining strong relationship with our partners. Actually, not essentially an easy task because many people could oversee this. So over the past few weeks, we've been doing yang namanya partner stability program gitu. For Gray especially, she has gone beyond simply delivering her tasks. So she actively engaged with partners during discussion, pick up their unspoken concerns, and you can actually see the improvement gitu from each meetings. So, oh yeah, Kak Gray, this is what I'd like to recognize from you, Kak. So, each meeting actually have that 1% improvement. So I really like to see that. And Della, on the other hand, has made remarkable strides too in showing empathy and presence. Yeah, Della, empathy. Please word that. So even her effort has been directly recognized by partners, gitu, who mentioned that actually her responsiveness, even though masih bisa diimprove Della, and professionalism reflect Bukit Vista's commitment as a company. Bahkan kita kayak dapat advocate gitu, Pak Gede Pasek Plumeria Jinem. Okay, so yep. Thank you for well done for Kak Gray and Della. Keep up the excellent work. No more decline from this. Okay, last one. This is to Matthew, actually. I knew Matthew has been doing great job, amazing job, basically so much so that he got an offer from BV to join when he was an intern. However, I do not think I've acknowledged his efforts enough, especially as someone working with him on the guest side. He basically, he shows a strong sense of ownership. This is valid, particularly in operations, and never hesitate to answer that his work is done well. Even now, he constantly tries to seek directions, mentorship, anything basically that could enhance his work's performance. Thank you for never settle and fail fast, Matthew. Dah, itu aja. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Kayla, for recognizing these people, yeah, and also congratulations for those people being recognized, especially during the partner communication, yeah. I know from personal experience that communicating with partner is very, very difficult. So I think it's a very recognizable core value that they are able to improve their communication with partner. Thank you very much. And also next we have Krishna, but Krishna today is taking a day off, so I will read for him. It's just a recognition for myself, Kak Gani, Kak Bayu, and also Mr. Jing. Yeah. Krishna wants to express gratitude to Mr. Jing, Kak Bayu, me, and Kak Gani for their invaluable feedback on nearly 15 submissions for BCA. 15 submissions, yeah. He's not claiming to fully understand branding yet, of course, because he got revision a lot of times. But he's learning bit by bit because of their patience and guidance. Thank you for helping him grow and allowing him to learn from his mistake, just like Tony Stark, yeah. And the core value that he wants to recognize is help others to help themselves. Okay, that's one from Krishna. Thank you, Krishna. If you're watching this, I don't think he will watch this, but I will say thank you to him later on. And congratulations for the others who being recognized. And next we have Marcel.
Sorry, tadi lucu soalnya Mr. Jing komen, show me good feedback on BCA. Okay, alright. This is definitely to Sarah. So on Monday, me and Radit were actually on RTT, special RTT for one of our partner, Attila. Then there is an alterations in 6 p.m. from Kak David nih, without any explanations. Sorry Kak David, canda aja, santai. Terus Sarah langsung jawab, gitu kan ya, di-explain dengan bagus. Karena gue udah sedikit panicky kan, karena kita lagi on a scale 1 to 10, the relationship lagi 1, gitu kan ya. Sehingga gue take over SPM di properti ini. Terus si Radit ngasih tahu tuh di screenshot yang keduanya Kak Vidi, di sekalian juga nih. Selain ini untuk Sarah, ini untuk improvement juga. Di screenshot keduanya kalau dilihat tuh 18-12, Dit, gue langsung suruh Radit, gue bilang, Dit balas dulu, ketik dulu, bilang nanti dijawab. Nah, jam 10 malam kan ya. Jadi nggak ada tuh chat Sarah. Pas gue pulang ke kos, pas gue lihat, udah kelar sama Sarah, terima kasih ya Tuhan, gitu kan. Jadi terima kasih buat Sarah, udah jawab, udah kelarin duluan. Karena tuh gue, berarti dari RTT itu dari jam 7 sampai jam 10 sedikit panik gue nih, karena nih Mbak Tari nih, nanti kita dimarah-marahin lagi pas lagi meeting. Ya, tamu yang influencer betul, karena ada ini kan, extensions with the new booking. Jadi kita perlu alter, something like that. Thank you Sarah ya, sekali lagi ya, terima kasih.
Oke, mantap sekali, Sarah. Thank you. Iya ya, Ega, Wendy, please look at this text that overflow to the bubble ya, and please check on the message as well. But also to Sarah, congratulations and thank you very much for being the hero in this case ya. Okay, next we have Matthew.
Theo, thank you, Ko.
Go, Matthew.
Okay, so I would like to recognize Kak Gray and Kak Wahyu here for helping me gathering data to create graphic for newsletter content on Monday. Yeah, so Mr. Jing asked me to provide data in graph chart. Jadi karena waktu itu aku juga bingung pakai data apa, Kak Gray and Kak Wahyu help me a lot sih by choosing what kind of data should I showcase on newsletter. I believe their help give huge boost to newsletter quality since the graphic can give better explanation regarding our efforts to keep the property consistent on top 1% ranking on Airbnb. Thank you.
Okay, excellent ya, Gray, Wahyu, don't assume it's data and also help others to help themselves. Congratulations, Gray and Wahyu. Next we have from Mr. Jing to me. I think we have Mawayan ya, Mawayan. Mawayan can represent Mr. Jing to say the core value recognition. To there are two core value recognition.
Okay, sure. Tiba-tiba kurang gede ya. I felt slightly jealousy. I realized Vidi more funny and entertaining than I am. I think his talent for public speaking has spectacularly exceeded my own. This is represent a positive transformation in leadership, emotional maturity, and inspire the light. That's true. Agree kok.
That's true.
Mantap, super.
Approve, super sekali. Approved ya by Mawayan ya. Okay, next also Mawayan from Mr. Jing to Kayla. Can you also help me to read that as well, Mawayan?
Okay. Okay, to Kyla. Kyla thinks deeply about the structure of partner relationship, and I have noticed her struggle. She augment her skill by asking for critical feedback. Use GPT well. I think large part of the company memory encoded in her Coda docs.
Okay, thank you very much,
Ya kalau Kyla ya sih.
We get it ya.
Like,
Congratulations.
paling ini udah bagian koda-perkodaan udah master.
Di dokumentasi, knowledge master, BV lah.
Master koda dia.
Okay, thank you Mawayan. Next we have Sarah.
Sama-sama.
Over to Sarah.
Okay, so this time I would like to recognize Kalian, Furqan, as well as Pandu, who for the past month ya, think karena kan mulainya pertengahan bulan Oktober kemarin, they've been in the case manager and apa namanya reception handler team. So I would like to thank the lady and gentleman here, inspiring delight constantly these three, day to day, week to week, and especially also their use of like handover and coordination is very amazing to me, and I think it sets a high standard in the ops team. So yeah, keep up the good work and thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sarah, for recognition. We always wish for a lot of patience and also wisdom, yeah, for these exception handlers, including Sarah as well. That is the spearhead of our company for help others to help themselves. Thank you very much, Sarah. Next, we have Shelin to Furqan.
Okay, unfortunately, Furqan is not here, but okay. I like to recognize Furqan for never settling. So, although some of our bandwidth are pretty limited, in the HR team, so we still managed to have this discussion where our team can go in the next coming months and plan on what we can do further to expand them. So, I'd like to thank Furqan for never settling on our employees. That's all. Thank you. Back to Vidi.
Okay, excellent. Thank you very much for never settling, yeah, Furqan, yeah. Next, we have Titan.
Okay, thank you, Mas Vidi. I would like to recognize Mas Ali for help other to help themselves core value, because Mas Ali helped me learn how to use samples to ask partner for Bivigo user feedback. Yeah, it was a bit strange adapting to the new interface compared to WhatsApp desktop UI, but Mas Ali taught me how to send message patiently. Thank you, Mas Ali.
Okay, you sure you don't want to recognize Kyla as well, Titan, for the samples, Titan?
Oh,
Next time she will not help you, Titan loh. Okay. Recognize for Kyla also, yeah, and also for Ali. Thank you very much for helping Titan in collecting the user feedback in samples. Okay, that's all the corporate recognition. We have 19 this week, yeah, a lot of corporate recognition, very inspiring. Next, we have personal update. Akhirnya we can read personal update, and the question of the week this week is very, very interesting because I prepared it to understand the level of understanding of branding from everyone here. So for recognition, we will spend time to read. Each individual will read no more than about 30 seconds. So prepare your answer based on the share screen. So first we have Furqan, yeah. If they're not here, I will represent them. Okay, to answer, Furqan, in many cases, he buys the product only if he need it, but he have quite consistent to go to product for a brand in footwear, which is Skechers. Okay, very expensive, yeah. He and his family use it because he feel comfortable and the convenience of the product offer. Okay, I know this expensive product, yeah. Okay, very nice, Furqan. Over to Shelin.
Okay, thank you. Most of the time I only buy what I need, but probably Samsung or Uniqlo. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Shelin. Rama is not here, ya. Rama is Golden Lamian, family tradition. Also kopi kenangan, tradition as well. Golden Lamian and kopi kenangan become tradition, ya guys, ya. He also buy himself a cup of avocado caramel, whether it's in airport, terminal, or train station. Very interesting choice. Next we have Mr. Jing answering with Apple. Yeah, we know, yeah. I think the answer, yeah, Apple. He's not sure why he needs so many devices, but there's definitely something irrational about his purchasing in Apple. I think we know. Okay, next Ega.
Okay, my favorite brand is Samsung. All my family members use different version of Samsung device, and almost all the electronic applications in my house, such as the TV, refrigerator, and washing machine, are also from Samsung. This might be because of how Samsung advertises its products, which has built strong trust in my family towards the brands. Additionally, Samsung is an established brand with a long history of proven quality. Even though it is relatively known for being on the pricier side. Okay, thank you.
Mantap, Ega. I think Samsung ya, Samsung very well known as well, although a bit pricey, correct? And I think Ega is ready to become the brand ambassador of Samsung ya. Okay, now to me, that's the thing. I don't really buy things I don't need. Redmi is one of my go-to phone for lowest price and highest technical performance. Because I don't mind the additional ads. Unlike in Samsung, there's ads in Xiaomi, but I don't care. All my family member uses the different iteration of Redmi Note. We have Redmi Note 8, 9, two phones, and then 10, and also I think 13, yeah, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. So everyone is Redmi Note. Okay, next we have Krishna. Krishna is a little bit sick and off today. So Nike is overpriced. We did not buy the material, we buy the story and history. Very interesting ya. I think calon-calon branding expert deh. He understand brand probably ya. Okay, next we have Reza. Over to Reza.
Okay, thank you. For me, I think I like the Lenovo electronics, like especially like keyboard, laptop, or maybe mouse and other thing because I think Lenovo can handle my use very well. So I very like it.
Okay, handle your use ya. Very interesting answer. Thank you very much, Reza. Over to yourself.
Yeah, I love product Apple ya guys ya, iPhone, because there is simplicity and premium feel.
Anjay. Oke, saya like Mr. Jing ya, Apple ya, iPhone. Oke, very nice, Yosef. Over to Restu.
Okay, Karung Jantan is a local clothing brand. Yeah, it's affordable and for me it's offer good quality products. But what makes me always buy their clothes is because they're always featuring new design that maybe that make me want to buy it more for them.
Oke, I think this is cintailah produk-produk Indonesia ya, I think ya, this one ya. Very, very nice, Restu. Next we have Robin.
Gudang baru, kebanggaan warga Malang Raya.
Oke, Malang Pride ya. Ya, siap Sam. Oke. Next we have Ardi. Ardi is taking half day. He buy product based on the value for money, finding the sweet spot between price and functionality, but mostly using local product. Same like Restu ya. Okay, very nice. Next to Ali, we have Ali's answer. Over to you, Ali.
Okay. For me, I think I like Xiaomi and Redmi. I feel this brand provide all I need and harganya murah ya.
Okay, same heart ya, same heart Ali. Very nice, Redmi or Xiaomi ya. Next we have Titan.
Yes, it sounds like same like Mas Ali, Xiaomi or Redmi. I don't know why, but I feel this brand could accommodate my needs. Its quality and its affordable price. Yeah.
Okay, affordable ya. Okay, I think that says a lot about our financial capacity ya, I think ya. Okay, thank you very much, Titan. Over to Wendy next.
Okay, sorry, there's no specific brand for me, but yeah, I bought various brands as long as the product is usable for a long period of time, useful and affordable, of course.
Okay. No specific brand ya from Wendy ya. And then from Kabayu we have Crisbo or Ace Hardware tool. They give me certain level of quality compared to random quality of tool if I bought it anywhere else. Yeah, I share the same opinion with Kabayu. I like to go to Ace Hardware, but I cannot afford Ace Hardware, so I just look around. Okay, very nice. Next we have Hafiz.
Yeah, from me, it's Kapensky. I like this clothing brand, local clothing brand, because they have a unique design. So even when they release a new article and when the size that fit to me is sold out, I still want to buy it. I don't know how, but it's a good brand. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Kaminsky, interesting. Nah, itu the owner is the friend of Marcel tuh. Maybe you can get discounts or something like that ya. Okay, next we have Ganesh.
For me, Gudang Garam Surya. People say it smell like garbage, but I like it because it tastes so good. And also Geocardin, local shoes. I think the Geocardin has good design and also affordable price.
Okay, very ini ya, very mature choice ya, and also local shoes again, very interesting. Thank you, Ganesh. Next we have Jason.
Okay, for me, the product that I'm feel like I'm not useful and I found myself using it over and over is Terea. I think people hate the smell, but I kind of like the taste of it.
What is Terea?
Terea is rokok untuk IQOS.
Oh, okay. Yeah, easy got it. Yeah, okay. Nice, Jason. Very interesting. Next we have Nadia.
Yeah, me is gym clothes, so the brand is Happy Fit. So I have an healthy obsession with gym clothes. Thank you.
Okay, interesting. Not reasoning yet, but probably you can put it in the comment. Over to Kagani next.
Yeah, food and drinks is Aqua and Indomie. Yeah. So everywhere lah, mau explore kemana, mendaki atau kemana, nah, pasti yang dicari Indomie. Kalau minum yang dicari apa? Aqua.
Mantap. Yeah, I think this legend brand in Indonesia ya. Thank you Kagani. Next we have Erika.
For me, it's Uniqlo and Fore. OVD.
Okay, very interesting ya. Uniqlo. I also accompany my girlfriend a lot in Uniqlo. I don't understand, but okay, interesting. Very good choice, I think. Rehan.
Yeah, Ko. I realize that I'm not really impulsive, Ko. But maybe one thing that several time I buy it Kompas, Ko. Sepatu Kompas, Ko.
Oh, shoes ya. I thought you buy
Shoes.
to go somewhere,
Shoes.
finding pleasure ya, I think ya.
Yeah.
Thought, ya. Okay, interesting choice, Rehan. Next we have Weda. Weda don't really like buying stuff. He still uses his dad's clothes when he was young. But one thing he buy is stocks, very financially responsible. Interesting. Maybe can be related to revenue management ya. Okay, next we have Matthew.
Okay, from me, Pia Bintang Coklat Batu Riti. Wes, itu cemilan dari aku kecil. Enak pol wes pokoknya. Thank you.
Okay. Very loyal customer ya. Interesting. Thank you very much, Matthew. Next we have Pasha.
Hi, yes, sorry. My item is an in-ear monitor. It's an earphones. So I only get one pair of ears, but like I got too many pairs of earphones.
Oh yeah, KZ ya. Very popular brand again for audio files, I think. Thank you very much, Pasha. Next we have Azel.
Okay, this is from me. The product I keep coming back is Riches Factory's combo of 1 chicken breast, 1 chicken stick, rice, and of course pink lava drink for sweetness and refreshing drink. Yeah, that's from me, Coffee D.
Very specific choice. Interesting, Azel. Next we have Gray.
Yes, for me, probably Lego, because I love puzzle and collecting it. It's overpriced sometimes, especially with the amount of pieces you get, but the Lego quality is different from regular chip bricks.
Okay, intellectual choice ya. Very interesting. Thank you very much, Gray. Next we have Sarah.
Okay, for me, I don't really favor a particular brand, but for, I don't know, secondary stuff, like items, I usually buy like either an export brands, they're from Bandung, right? Very durable, even though some are very expensive, but yeah, it's worth it. 5-star value score for me.
Oke, sepatu anak gunung ya, Eiger, very mantap. Yeah, very popular as well. I think the owner is very philanthropist as well. He likes to donate a lot of money to charities, I think. Very nice. Next to Pandu.
Okay, I think the product that I don't really need but I keep buying it is cigarette Surya 12 Gudang Garam. I don't know. That's good. Okay. Stop smoking. Smoking kills. Okay, thank you guys.
Okay, a little bit of PSA ya from Pandu ya. Thank you very much Pandu. From Katendi is Apple product just like Mr. Jing. Because it's more cheaper than if you upgrade with trade-in service of your previous product rather than keep your old product until it cannot function well. Then you have to buy new one with full price. Okay, interesting insights yeah. But I don't know if it's still cheaper than the other alternative. But okay, nice information Kak Tendi. Next we have Wahyu.
Okay, thank you, Fidi. I think it will be Indofood because I frequently buy noodles and snack like maxi corn or Indomie, like just what Mas Gani said from Indofood. Despite my awareness of this is unhealthy, I shouldn't buy it. It will gain me some weight, and a lot of plain food available on the market. So I think I frequently buy Indomie or Indofood things because I can control my appetite and also it tastes so good. Thank you.
Wahyu, please eat healthy ya. Later you get sick, Bella cry later ya, Wahyu. Okay, next we have David. Okay, David does not have any favorite brand. He prefer to buy according to his needs at the right price. Okay, as expected from our finance person ya. Very interesting. Next from Radit, Daikin for aircon because from the brand it's great to install in the villa. Okay, yeah, I agree. Daikin is actually a very popular brand, and I also use Daikin actually in my room. Next to Marcel.
Marlboro and books, but especially Marlboro ya. Kalau books, I really want to have a library later, especially with all of the One Piece from chapter 1 until the end. But for Marlboro, I already feeling time for the past week because there is a colorful Marlboro right now, the purple, and I don't know. It is very tempting for me, but I already bought my Oxford. So yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much for the recommendation, Marcel. Not for kids ya. Okay, next we have Kayla.
Not for kids. Alicia, ada yang tahu nggak merek kerudung button scarf yang overhype itu lewat ini? This is old and OG bro. Classic.
Okay, thank you very much, Kayla. I don't use ya, so I don't really know, but thank you for the recommendation, Kayla ya. Okay, next we have Bella.
Okay, thank you, Coffee. My life is about food. So the first is the fresh fruit from Kampung Buah Bandung, and the second one Kopi Kenangan. See you in 28 days later. Thank you, Coffee.
Mantap. Okay, recommendation from Bella ya.
Sehat ya.
Only from Wayana.
Kalau aku sih mak-mak ya, alat dapur, tapi aku suka beli kopi juga, walaupun aku nggak minum, cuman kepo sama rasanya aja.
Any specific coffee brand, Mawayan, that you always come back to?
Vietnamese coffee biasanya.
Vietnamese coffee. Okay, interesting choice ya. Okay, that's it for the question of the week. My personal update for this week. Actually, apologies for the overtime, but there's a lot of interesting answer that maybe from the HR team can analyze more. From the branding team can try to understand what are the perception of brands from our employees, and probably some can be directed to develop our branding principles as well. So thank you very much, everyone. I'll return it to Azel since we don't have any announcement.
Okay, thank you very much, Kofidi, for the core value recognition and personal updates. Okay, thank you everyone for joining the second all hands meeting in this week. See you again on the next week all hands. Thank you everyone. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.
Thank you, Azel.
Yeah.
Thank you everyone. See you.